When you're assembling projects built with pocket hole joints, it's important to choose the right screw. And there are several factors to make your choice. The first is length. There's a handy chart in the owner's manual that will help you choose the right length screw. But again, it's really simple. Just like everything else with the 300 series jigs, it's based on the thickness of your material. And in general, the thicker the material, the longer screw you'll use to get the strongest joint. The next thing to consider is whether you're building with a softwood like pine or spruce, or with a hardwood like maple, oak, or cherry. For softwoods, you want a coarse thread screw. These aggressive screws will hold strong in these softer woods. For hardwoods though, they're very dense, so you want a fine thread screw. It'll offer great holding power, but won't risk splitting the wood. Finally, you want to think about where your project's going to be used, whether it's indoors or outdoors. For indoor projects, Kreg pocket hole screws with the standard zinc coating work great. For outdoor projects, you want corrosion resistance, and you can get that with Kreg's blue coat coating or with Kreg pocket hole screws that are made from stainless steel.